Today, I'll show you how to turn this boring sword into a sword with cool glowing highlight parts. The secret behind this effect is actually pretty simple. Instead of making the entire sword glow, we use two separate meshes. One for the main sword, and another one for the glowing parts. First, let's take a look at how I made it in Blender. This is the main sword mesh. I'll use its surface as a guide to model a new mesh for the glowing section. The important part is that the glowing section is a separate mesh from the main sword. Once we finish modeling, we can export the sword and import it into Roblox Studio as a single model. Even though it looks like one sword, Studio will recognize the two parts as separate meshes. Now, select the mesh that we created for the glowing section and change its material to neon. Then choose the color you want for the glow. You can use any color you like, so you can create blue, red, green, purple, or any other glowing effect. If some faces are missing or invisible, make sure the double-sided option is enabled for the mesh. And now our sword has a much more interesting glowing highlight, while keeping the main sword material unchanged. The great thing about this technique is that you can use the same idea for blades, weapons, armor, or any other model where you want specific parts to glow. Give it a try and experiment with different shapes and colors.